Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer ownership of your Facebook page. Whether you're handling your business over to someone else or changing admins, I'll walk you through it step by step and let's get started. So as you can see, I'm currently onto my personal Facebook account. So let's now switch to the Facebook page where you want to transfer the ownership. Click onto your profile here and choose in the page. Once you're already here onto your page, we're going to go ahead here onto our page again, page name and page profile, and then scroll here until you find in settings. Right after, we should be able to find in page setup under audience and visibility. Click onto that one, and we have here the page access. So this is where we could invite people to help manage your page and control who has access to it. So simply click onto that. So as you can see, I'm currently the only person that has access to this. To switch the ownership in here, we need to go ahead and add in the new owner. Click on add new here, click on next. Right after, you could search the owner in here. Let's type in any name. Like for example, this one. We'll add this, and then right after, it will go ahead and read through all of the things that they will have access to in here and allow this. And right after, just simply click on give access. So you need to type in your password for security. Right after, click on confirm. And as you can see, an invitation has been sent. So right after, once the owner has accepted the access, you can completely transfer the access for that. So you'll just have to go ahead and remove the access of your own here so that the only person that is in here with the Facebook access is the person that you've added. So click on remove access, type in your password again, click on confirm, and the person that has access onto this page already is the person that we have there. And that is just how easy you could go ahead and transfer the ownership of a Facebook page. If you think this was helpful to you, then don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.